was an officer planting evidence.
Helping plant drugs in someone's car.
Officer Richard A. Pinheiro Jr. of the Baltimore Police Department recorded himself on his body camera planting drugs. The footage shows Pinheiro turning off his body cam audio and placing a bag of white capsules inside a can in an alley. He then walked back to the street, switched on his body camera, and announced he was going to search the alley. The video captures him returning to the alley and finding the bag he had just placed there.
I'm gonna check here. Hold on.
Was that 30?
Yo. Hold up. Not yet.
This led to the arrest of a man on drug dealing charges. However, once the video became public, the charges were dropped, and Pinheiro was suspended with pay. He was indicted by a grand jury on charges of tampering with or fabricating physical evidence, a misdemeanor. Pinheiro received a 3-year suspended prison sentence, 2 years of probation, and 300 hours of community service. 2 other officers involved were placed on administrative duty. Just like this video, here's another video of cops planting drugs.
It's a little bit of weed.
In this shocking incident, 2 officers stopped passenger Jason Serrano and a friend due to a broken taillight. As the officers approached and the driver rolled down the window, they claimed the car smelled like marijuana and ordered both occupants out of the vehicle.
The car smells like marijuana, so we're gonna check it, all right? There's nothing in the car, you'll be good to go, all right?
Serrano, who was recovering from abdominal surgery after being stabbed, lifted his shirt to show his wound to one of the officers.
I don't want to see that right now, okay?
Once out of the car, the officers insisted on searching Serrano's jacket, and he refused.
Give me the jacket.
There's nothing in my jacket. I'm not getting
My
searched for
man.
no reason.
The officers then became more aggressive, forcibly taking him to the ground and handcuffing him.
Come on,
Relax.
Yo,
Relax. Relax.
Yo,
Relax.
yo, 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 yo,
Relax.
yo.
Relax.
Yo.
Take him down. Take him down. Take him down. Take him down. Take him down.
Yo,
Relax. Relax.
Serrano remained on the ground, handcuffed and visibly in pain, for the rest of the traffic stop until an ambulance arrived to transport him to the hospital. The 2 officers, Kyle Erickson and Elmer Pastron, started searching the car and Serrano's jacket. Officer Erickson told Pastron that they needed to find evidence.
Yeah, we gotta find something.
Officer Erickson began by searching the passenger side of the car. When he found nothing, he murmured an expletive. Erickson then returned to Pastron, went back to the passenger side, and searched through Serrano's jacket, the cup holder, and the central console. As they continued searching the car, the driver approached, and Erickson looked back at Pastron, visibly irritated.
Man, stand back.
Why? What are you doing?
Actually, nothing. You know what I mean?
After several minutes of searching, Erickson admitted again that he hadn't found anything.
I don't see anything.
15 seconds later, he returned to the front seat cup holder and placed something there.
A little bit of weed. A little bit of weed.
Erickson continued to search the center console, where he had already looked. A minute or so later, he sounded agitated again. Erickson shook his head as he continued to search through Serrano's jacket, just out of the camera's view. A couple of minutes later, the 2 officers claimed to have found marijuana flakes in Serrano's jacket.
Yeah, no, he had weed. You could see his weed here.
At the end of the search, the officers fist bumped each other.
You good? We're good?
An ambulance finally arrived to take Serrano to the hospital. He spent the next 5 days handcuffed in a hospital room, waiting for his abdominal wound to heal. Serrano accepted a plea deal to avoid jail time and did not learn about the existence of the body cam footage until after he pleaded guilty. The video, unseen for nearly 2 years, highlights the limited information available to the public and defendants, supporting criticism that body cameras are ineffective if their evidence remains inaccessible. The NYPD declined to comment on this incident. Erickson and Pastran are still on patrol, but after a lawsuit, Erickson was suspended for 15 days. When you think you've seen it all, here's a female cop who planted evidence.
Left blinker was on, is that correct?
I don't remember.
Hello, sir. I'm Officer Oliver with Tallahassee Police Department. Do you have your driver's license, registration, insurance?
This is the reason why you slowed me down.
Yes, sir. So you don't have any headlights on, and you're going really fast on Monroe Street.
Headlight? My headlights automatically on when I'm driving.
They're not on right now.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem. I don't really carry a wallet.
You don't carry a wallet at all? Where do you carry your money at?
Bank.
The bank? Okay. How do you pay for things? On your phone? Okay, I gotcha. No problem. I'll write down your information. You said Calvin Riley? I can take that. Perfect. Senior?
Yes.
What's your date of birth, sir? Okay. Okay.
Calvin Riley is stopped by the Tallahassee Police Department on Southern Road. Officer Oliver introduces herself and later plants an evidence in Riley's car.
Sit tight for me, okay? Hi. So, I feel like I'm getting some indications, but I'm not 100% sure. I can't really smell anything right now. Do you think you can just talk to him? He's like looking everywhere for his like ID, and he's like looking up here and pulling out papers and like looking around and everything. He says he doesn't carry a wallet. I said, how do you have money? He goes, the bank. And I said, okay, well, he's just not making a lot of sense. Yeah. He didn't have lights on. He's flying down Monroe Street, and when I went to pull him over, he like started to get over and then came back over and then like is kind of like hovering and then stopped. Okay. So if you'll just see if you can see. Talk to you. So he's got suspended. It's Calvin Riley. Yeah. So I'm gonna ask him. That's why he doesn't have a driver's license, because he knows it's suspended. When you go up there, can you ask him if he still lives on? Yeah, I'll do that. Thanks. Yeah. He said he's coming from Pockets and he had beers at Pockets. Oh, he didn't tell me that? I asked him that because he originally said the north side, and I said we're out on the north side, and he said Pockets. See, he told me he was coming from Brevard Street. Holy crap, it scared me. So he did say he had beers at Pockets? Yeah. Do you get any other indications? I mean, his speech is slurred. Yeah. He's got the watery bloodshot eyes, and I do have odor. Do you want me to do a signal investigation? Can I watch you? Yeah. Okay. I promise the next one I'll do. Go ahead, sir. And he's got a suspended deal, and he knows it's suspended. Okay. Hold on. What's his first name? Calvin. Hold on. Tim, I just want to verify because I had background. You said that there's a cease tag if it's an owner, and you also said that his driver's license is suspended, correct? Tim, thank you, sir. Background primary. I don't want to go into anything about the 1015 for the suspension, because if we 1015 for the suspension, that makes the yeah, we can wait on that. Let me just say that route. You're good. He refuses the SFDs that we're doing 1015 for suspension. Well, we still have to find him. There's another way to go. Calvin. Okay. Calvin. Okay. Here, go ahead and step out of the vehicle for us. The car for us. Your license is suspended, so we're gonna
arresting him for an alleged DUI. Riley, whose license is suspended, is arrested for the first offense of driving with a suspended license.
And my license.
You knew your license was suspended?
No, I didn't.
That's why you didn't have your ID on you.
First of all, my ID is at my job.
Officers ask him to perform voluntary field sobriety exercises without informing him of the consequences of refusal. After detaining Riley, they question him about marijuana.
Mr. Riley, I got a quick question for you.
No problem.
So I smelled marijuana in your vehicle. Did you recently smell?
No, let me tell you something, man.
Sit down, please.
That's the reason it stopped me, or you
It's
stopped
not
me
the reason I stopped you. For your lights. Yes, sir, and you're speeding.
But you know, I was speeding.
Yes.
I got a tracker on my shit.
Okay.
And you smell marijuana.
Just watch your foot, okay? Wow, he reeks of alcohol. Yeah. Is there enough, like, before that? That's weird. It's got like gum and a napkin.
Once arrested, they search his car to find incriminating evidence that will justify his arrest.
Got like a gold chain and a bag. Or in a thing. What is this? A ring? Nothing in there. Smell this. It smells like alcohol. Yep. I think we're good on this. Yeah? Okay. It's not my training experience. Okay. Oh. There's a hair clip under here. Hey, there's vodka in his seat, like right here in a pouch in his seat. Vodka was found in this pouch in his seat. Huh? And you can just charge him with DWSR.
If you wanted to finish searching, I'll go talk to him about the signal and stuff.
Yeah. Do you need me? Do you need me, like, over there with you? Huh? Here.
Officer Oliver leaves and returns to the car, breaks the seal on a liquor bottle, pours it out, and tosses the empty bottle into the passenger seat. No marijuana is found. She now claims the empty bottle is an evidence.
You're a liar.
Do you want to call your lady?
You're a liar. I can't call nobody my handcuffs.
I can put it in for you.
I can't call nobody my handcuffs.
I can put it in for you.
I can't call nobody my handcuffs.
Okay, if you don't let me know the number, then I'm not going to call her, and I'm going to call a tow truck for your vehicle.
You don't even need to be wearing that badge. You're a liar. You say you smell marijuana. You're a liar.
Are you listening?
And I'm going to prove that.
I'm going to tow your
and
vehicle.
And they're going to fire you.
Okay.
They're going to fire you because you're a liar.
I'm going to call a tow truck for your
you're
vehicle, okay?
I hope you record this because you're a liar. You smell marijuana.
Go ahead and put this stuff in the bag.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
That's right. You do what you gotta do. But you go, guess what? You're messing with the wrong person. You mess
If
with
we
the
move
wrong
in the back
person.
of my car,
Run a tiller tight and you mess with the wrong person.
Officer Oliver later informs a senior officer about finding open alcohol in the car.
Search the car.
yeah.
Nothing in there.
Well, okay, so he had a bunch of alcohol stashed in there.
Nothing open.
Yeah, open.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, in his like turvis in the center console, he had a mixed drink, and then under his knee, he had a like little bottle of vodka tucked away.
The officers check if their body cameras are off while discussing the case.
Still alive. Is there any evidence of that?
Marijuana.
Yeah.
The video ends, and Riley's arrest report states that a small opened vodka bottle was found in the driver's seat pocket. Riley was charged with DUI, but when the video became public, she was promptly fired from the department. During her deposition, she claimed she didn't remember anything that happened that night.
Was he cursing during this period of time?
I don't remember.
His left blinker was on, is that correct?
I don't remember.
Which was the registration for his car, correct?
I don't remember.
Because the car had automatic lights.
I don't remember if it had an auto setting.
It was a strong odor.
It wasn't strong, but I could remember smelling it.
Vehicle.
I don't remember if she searched the vehicle.
So you don't remember her searching on the passenger side while you searched on the driver's side?
No, I don't remember that.
You told Officer Muth that the bottle was open?
I don't remember my exact phrasing.
You can just show me where it's
improper
regarding.
impeachment.
Do you not remember?
I don't remember the exact placement.
You told Officer Muth that the bottle was open?
I don't remember my exact phrasing. I don't remember what my thought process was behind the statement. I don't remember the conversation.
So you don't remember discussing indicators of impairment that you saw in Mr. Riley?
I don't remember discussing that, no.
Did Officer Muth or Sergeant Smith ever convey you that their body-worn camera was on after you had turned yours off?
I don't remember that. I don't remember.
Yeah. Have you previously testified that the protocol is to dump out open containers?
I don't remember.
This disturbing cases highlights the potential abuse of power and lack of accountability within law enforcement.
See, when you do stuff like that, then you add credence to all the verbiage and all the rhetoric about police officers being corrupt and getting away with it. When something that flagrant happens, you call it out to make sure that everyone identifies with how wrongful it is so it doesn't happen again.
Subscribe for more, watch the next recommended video, click to watch now.